If you wanted to start making money online in 2025 with zero fluff and minimal risk, what would you do first? Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best digital income streams you can start right now, plus a bonus combo that can double your results. Stick around. Here's the quick promise. No fancy camera, no huge audience, and you can begin in a weekend. 1. Freelancing and digital services. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are still booming. Editing, thumbnails, copy, virtual assistants, AI prompt engineering. The trick is to niche down. Don't be a designer. Be the creator of YouTube thumbnails that win clicks, short-form editor for fitness coaches, AI-optimized blog writer for local businesses. Start with a simple offer, a clear price, and a turnaround time. Get 3 case studies fast, free or low cost, then raise prices. 2. Affiliate marketing. You don't need your own product, just recommend useful tools and earn a commission. AI tools and software subscriptions, personal finance apps, health programs. Focus on high-ticket or recurring commissions. 1 software referral at $50, $200 per month beats 20 low-ticket sales. Create 1 honest review, 1 tutorial, and 1 best tools roundup. Link them together. That's a mini system. 3. Digital products. Create once, sell forever. Templates, eBooks, mini courses, Notion setups. AI makes this faster. Draft with ChatGPT, design in Canva, sell on Gumroad or Etsy. Start small. 1-page calculator, a swipe file, a starter checklist. A simple budgeting template can become a bestseller if it solves a specific pain and looks clean. 4. Content creation. You don't need to show your face. Faceless channels using stock footage or screen recordings work great. Monetize with ads, sponsors, affiliates, or your own products. The game in 2025 is consistent short form that funnels to long form value. Think 3 shorts per week, 1 deeper video on the weekend, all pointing to a free resource that builds your email list. 5. Print on demand and e-commerce. Upload designs for tees, mugs, journals. Platforms handle printing and shipping. Use AI art tools for quick concepts, then polish in Canva. Upload 5,100 designs, test titles and tags, and double down on the 10% that sell. Bonus combo, stack them. Make content around a niche. Recommend affiliates you genuinely use, and sell a tiny digital product that solves the next problem. Add a freelance offer for those who want it done for them. That's 4 streams from 1 audience. Quick recap. Freelancing. Niche. Fast case studies, raise price. Affiliate, recurring software, tutorial plus review plus roundup. Digital products, tiny, useful, beautifully packaged. Content, consistent shorts to long form to email. Print on demand, volume, tags, iterate on winners. If this helped, hit subscribe, drop a comment with the stream you're starting, and share this with a friend who wants an online income in 2025. I'll be replying to the first batch of comments with personalized tips. Let's turn your phone into a revenue engine, 1 practical step at a time.